Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and the other day I showed you a small haul from Michaels, and I'll show you how I set up now this planner that's going to be my wallet in my purse. Okay, first of all, I was watching Heather Kell at Kell of a Plan, and she had this, and she got the idea from someone else, so I don't know whose original idea it was. But these are little wallets that you can find at Target, and they have little compartments, a zipper, this compartment here, and then slots for your ID and your cards and things. So I thought, that's such a great idea. She put it on these little sticky things and just stuck it in her planner to make it a wallet. Now, unfortunately, they didn't have a lot of designs when I was there, and this one is slick. So, I'll show you what I had to do. Once I get the little sticky, you know, these little things that are strips. Oops, I need to cut that. They're sticky on one side, and you can stick them to papers or anything that you want to insert into your Happy Planner. They sell them in a pack of, I think, 6. I think there'll be 2 of each color, like blue, clear, and red, I think, is the ones I have. Okay, so I have clear packing tape on here on the back. Now, it may not show, or it may be glaring, and you're like, that looks awful. But it works. So that way these don't come right off, because they really wanted to come off every time I took my little wallet insert in and out, because they have, this is so slick, they didn't want to stick to it. In here I have a lot more rewards cards. I hope everybody's like me and has a bunch of those kinds of little cards that, you know, you need to have with you because you go someplace unexpectedly. This could be for money, but I'm putting mine here. And then these are my insurance cards. I don't know if I said that. So, and then this is my ID and everything. So I keep my change in a little change purse, so I didn't need to worry about that. Okay, so I laminated this piece of cardstock because I thought this was just perfect with the blue and the green. These colors just went, and that's just a Mambi sticker. That's all I did. Because I'm using this insert, and it did not come with a cover. It's just an extension pack, I think they called it. And it's their dashboard layout, their weekly dashboard layout. So I showed this in a previous video, but you have your monthly, and then you have every week looks like this. Errands to buy, bills to pay, calls, email, focus, a little note section, and then your days of the week right here, which this is perfect, I think, to carry in your wallet and your purse, or just carry this if you want, and keep track of everything or jot down notes as you're out and about. Okay, I've added something in here. I'll show you what it is. Let's take it out so you can see this is how it goes. So this is a bundle that, as I was surfing, Amazon popped up. It's good old Amazon. Tells you what you need to buy. You didn't even know it. And this is a bundle called the Clean It Up Bundle for the Mini Happy Planner, and it's from Natalie Rebecca, and I think she has her site here, NatalieRebeccaDesign.com, and I'll try to link that below if I remember. Anyway, this is how it comes. It comes with this little note with some tips and things like that, how to use it with the zone cleaning and everything. So the zone cleaning is very much like Fly Lady, the way she split it up. She has this little stain guide, and then here on the back, this is kind of a zone cheat sheet. So she has zone 1, living room, and then she has the things you might do each day for 5 days a week, or get them all knocked out in one day. And then she has a bonus zone for those odd days of the month, you know, that they're extra days hanging out, or at the beginning of the month, it's like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So she's got this little bonus zone, and then seasonal chores that you might want to do. Okay. And then every week she has these weekly pages, and that's the whole thing looks the same after this. So where you check off every day: make the bed, straighten bedrooms, straighten living room, wash dishes, wipe counters and table. It's just got your ordinary stuff that you would do. And then she's got this little cleaning tip here, and it's different on every one. This one talks about essential oils in your vacuum. This one talks about cotton balls in your air conditioner with scent. So she's got something different each day, I believe. And then here's cleaning supplies you might want to have on hand. Hopefully you all don't need to know what cleaning supplies you need to have on hand. And then here is kitchen, living room, and down here is what you check off which zone you're in. So this one I'm going to be in 2 because it's ending, let's see here, it's ending October and starting November. So, and here's a place where you can put any special notes about things you want to especially handle while you're in that zone. So I just thought this was cute. And if I can't manage to, on a daily basis, make my bed, straighten up a little bit, straighten, you know, make sure the dishes are clean, the counters are wiped, sweep the floor. I don't know if I'll always get sweep the floor. I'm going to be honest about that. to do that every day. Change out the dish towel, take out the trash as needed, and things like that. So work on laundry. I don't have to do that anymore. My 4 kids are grown. Yay. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. And I'm only keeping 3 months in here at a time because you know I work on my goals for 3 months at a time. But I do have paper back here. So if I am at the doctor's office and they say we want to see you in April on such and such day, I can come in here and jot it down. And then when I get home to my big planner and everything, I can make sure that, okay, this is not, I don't need to worry about that's a good day, and go ahead and write it down in there. So this is kind of like with the bullet journal, you know, forward planning. So I just have, this is just a little pack of sheets. They come in different colors, and I just have a few in here. And then in the back is the back cover I made, and it's just the flip side of that paper so that it can slide in here. So I think it turned out really cute. At least I like it. Oh, something else. I had bigger rings on here. I thought I was going to be able to use the classic rings. You cannot, because this thing won't close with the classic rings in it. It just got right here. It just got too big. Well, it would, but it was really tight, and then I couldn't include this if I was going to do that. But if you're not going to do this wallet thing, you might, but you're still going to be squeezing it, you know, to get it closed. So anyway, I'm really happy with this. It doesn't officially start till November 1st, but we're practically there. So I've already switched everything over. I get impatient with new stuff. I just want to use it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy planning.